Right, here we go then. Now the first bird, I wasn't going to show this bird due to the colour, it's a bit hit and miss. This is a Greenfinch cock to a yellow Norwich hen. Beautiful bird. Next year it'll look fantastic, as you can see by the colour. But it's all part of learning as a novice, I guess. Plus, I learned something else, not to put them in a cage with other birds due to the feather plucking. Absolute nightmare. Right, the next bird we'll look at is one of my hybrids. Yellow Goldfinch cock to a pied Greenfinch hen. Bit of a shame about the mismarked, that's the thing when you're playing with pied, as you can see by the blaze. White dots all over his blaze and the back of his neck, but still, what a fantastic achievement. All the blood, sweat and tears, and it's well worth it. Well worth it. Right, the next bird to this is the brother to this Goldfinch, Greenfinch. There you go. Like I say, it's a bit of a shame about the white dots, but this year I'll be breeding a nice yellow Goldfinch cock to a nice big Greenfinch hen. I'm going to start trying to put a few nice hybrids on the show bench that you don't see many of no more, i.e. one of them, the Siskin Greenie. Right, next bird across was the first hybrid of 2025, my first ever hybrid this is, and I produced two, and it's the Redpole, lesser Redpole cross Greenfinch. Boom, beautiful. I'm over the moon with that, lads. Smash a thumbs up for me if you think she's 10-10. You can see a nice little bib on her. What I like about this hybrid, you can see both parentage, and that's what it's all about with hybrids. To see both parents in the hybrid itself. Right, there's the one coming over to his brother. Boom, boom, baby, boom. Fantastic achievement. That's more of a bird. Lovely pole. Fantastic. Look at that, lads. Get in there. Absolutely buzzing, man. Buzzing. Like I say, next year these birds will be a year older, but they will look fantastic. Dedication, discipline, all the things you don't like doing, it's well worth it in the end to achieve that goal you're after. So that's the top row for you, lads. 2 Redpole Greenie, 2 Goldie cross pied Greenfinch, and 1 Greenfinch cross Green Norwich. Right, coming down to the bottom row. And these three mules here, it took me, I think I've read 15, and I ended up with these 3 only any good due to deformities. That's a normal Redpole mule. Come out of the same nest. This bird did it out of this. There you go, lads. A Redpole mule hen, and here this boy doesn't shut up singing. Smokey, Hugo's called him, my son. That's a beautiful Redpole mule, that is, in my eyes. I didn't colour feed it this year. As you can see, it still carries that pole though. coming on to the next. This one carries some fantastic colour. Good friend of mine for the bird world, Shane Evans, give me a white fife hen, and I put a lesser cock to a white fife, and this is what it threw. While we're talking about Shane, I buy all my bird supplies from show boxes, vitamins, supplements, minerals, seed, from Direct Bird Products. Fantastic customer service and quality products. So lads, use code SNS15 and you'll get a nice discount, and Shane will look after you. So that's SNS15, Direct Bird Products, and you'll get a discount apart from the Exalt. Everything else you'll get a nice discount on if you use that code. Alright, back to the birds we go. Like I say, the Redpole Mule cross is a fantastic cross. In my eyes, it's probably one of the hardest. Crossing a Redpole cock to a canary. Too many deformities. It is a bull breaker. But when you produce something like this and this, you know, all that hard work is well worth it. Right, we'll come on to the next one now. Now this is a cross between lesser Redpole, normal, to a white Norwich hen. Carries a beautiful size, but lacks in the colour. Lacks in the colour just a little. Now this bird here on the left has got all the colour, everything you want. But next year what I'm trying to create is the colour in this into a Norwich Redpole Mule. So transfer that colour to that and Bob's your uncle. Boom. Absolute stunning, lads. Like I say, please like and subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing. It doesn't cost. It's free. We're all learning off each other in this hobby, and this is what we need. Positive attitude. Learn off each other. I mean, that's what the internet got in our favour for. Social media nowadays. I mean, back in the day, all the old fellas would take it to the grave with them. Now you've got episodes on like the Canary Room, Matt Elds, of breeders that have been breeding for 50 years that are giving you all their information in a couple of episodes. So it's a blessing. Right, there is a variegated Linnet mule, flighted bird. As you can see, carries some tremendous colour. Absolute fantastic. And next door to it is his brother, but out the two, that's the better bird you're looking at now. There you go. There's the two of them. Fantastic colour. I mean, look at that. It's luminous. Stands right out to you. Nice dark feather. Beautiful. Like I say, these are miniature mules, these two, but next year I'm working on this cross again, but using a cinnamon Norwich cock, yellow feathered bird to a yellow feathered linnet hen. Have a go at it, boys. See how you get on. Right, next to these are the sister, which to me is another tremendous bird. It's like a cinnamon pied linnet mule, a bit flighty. Have a look at that for a bit, lads. Like I say, it's an honour to share all my success with all you on the internet. I really do appreciate it. I've met some fantastic lads in the bird world all over the country and got to know the top 10 best in the UK, I'd say. And this year I will be working off a certain man's bloodline for the Norwich, which I'm looking really forward to. In the next 2 or 3 weeks I'm going to pick them up, my new Norwich, so I will upload a video for you all. But there's a look at the cinnamon pied linnet mule hen. And last but least, lads, I wish I hadn't colour fed this bird. This bird here was the banner picture for natives in Norwich. This is a cinnamon greenfinch mule. I colour fed it this year and I wish I'd have kept her plain Jane. She did look a lot better uncoloured, but ayo, you live and learn. I thought I'd try to see what she looks like. Putting her on a bit of Califield red. She's coloured up lovely, but not, I like that lime colour. So that's a cinnamon greenfinch mule, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Redpole greenie.